guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm doing keys, marry or kill with paper squishy, and I will maybe do some rounds with squishies. So yeah guys, before I get this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I really appreciate it. If you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and like right there you're gonna see a bell. If you click that, you never miss a video whenever I post. This is gonna be my new intro. So yeah guys, I would really appreciate it. And please, this is gonna be a giveaway, huge giveaway. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the items with the giveaway because we're almost at 300 subscribers. I'm so happy. So if you don't already subscribe, make sure to subscribe. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe this. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe this, guys. Wow. But we're gonna do keys, marry or kill with squishy. So today I'm gonna do that video of like the items giveaway, but it's gonna be uploading tomorrow because it's gonna be like a long time ago. I mean a lot time anyway. So let's get on with this video, and I'm just gonna get the pepper squishy because they're here, they're there. So I will be back with you guys. Okay guys, so just come my friend is telling me. So yeah guys, so first I have this box, and I'm also gonna use some squishies, my favorite squishies that I keep here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put, also if you don't know how this works, you have to put 3 squishies. Out of 3 squishies you're gonna marry, kiss or kill. So yeah, marry is the ones that you most like, kiss are just after marry, and then kill is the ones that you don't like. So yeah, first I'm just put this on the squishies. So first, oh, this red donut. This video is gonna be like long with green and brown sprinkles. By the way, I have my phone here because my phone is going in it. Versus another donut with the green version. Another donut is the pink version. So marry, kiss, and kill, because this one is like you can really squish it, but you can't. So yeah, marry, kiss, and kill. So, yeah. Oh. Next is, I have a lot of donuts. This black donut with a lot of sprinkles. Black sprinkles, green sprinkles, and brown sprinkles. Finally, a banana, the blue version. And my ice cream. I think you probably guys know which one I'm gonna pick already. So, marry, kiss, and kill. This one is just because, I don't know, it got like a lot of defects, so yeah. Oh, that's so sad. So yeah. So this one I'm gonna put it here because I'm gonna fix it because it's squishy. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna put one squishy. So the squishy that I first picked, the simply slow jumbo lucky ice cream. This jumbo lucky bag of this squishy. So comes with this green pan, red panda bun, and then the black pan. Marry, kiss, and kill. I will throw everything, obviously. So yeah. Next is another donut. By the way, I have a lot of donuts. So this brown donut. Another brown donut. and this red donut. I will be back and see how many donuts, but I promise you guys I'm not gonna look how many donuts left. Okay guys, there's a lot of donut left, as you can see. And how much is it? Okay. So yeah. Mary, kiss and kill. Next is another donut, which is one of my favorite donuts that I made. Obviously. This is the brown version with the brown and red sprinkles. Versus this green donut with red and brown sprinkles. Almost all the donuts that I made have sprinkles. I just look blank on it. Versus this other one. Marry, kiss, and kill. Another pink donut. I just have a lot of donuts because I wanted to have it all. So this yellow one was only pink sprinkles, which is awesome. Versus this another one. Marry, kiss, and kill. Next and last round is this Pop-Tart. Actually, super cute. It was like this tiny ice cream that my friend made. And she just did it on my fan, and I was, Mary, kiss and kill. Sorry, friend, but she just did a dab, but it doesn't like this little ice cream. But yeah, guys, that's everything for today. This is just pepper squishy that I just messed up. But yeah, guys, that's everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't see my new iPhone, just this iPhone 7 Plus. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And bye.